Problem number 8 from section 2.4 homework. Find two consecutive even integers such that the smaller added to 5 times the larger gives a sum of 58. So let's start unpacking this. First of all, if I'm looking for two consecutive even integers, every time we have even integers or odd integers, your smaller one is going to be x, and your larger one is going to be x plus 2. And that's because even numbers are always 2 apart. Odd numbers are also 2 apart. Okay, so this is our translation. Every time you see even integers, you're going to do this. Let's look at the rest of this. And I'm going to kind of come up with a plan first. The smaller added to 5 times the larger, so that would be 5 times the larger one, gives a sum of, that means equals, because we're going to be adding these two things together, of 58. So my plan is the smaller plus 5 times the larger equals 58. Now, I do not want to use the S and the L. This is just to kind of help me get my pattern going. My smaller is x. So my equation is x plus 5 times the larger. Well, the larger is all of this. So I need to do 5 times x plus 2 in parentheses, because I'm supposed to multiply the whole thing, equal to 58. Now to solve this, I need to distribute the 5 first, so I'm multiplying everything in there by 5. So I have x plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 58. Combine like terms here, x plus 5x would be 6x plus 10 is equal to 58. Okay, now I need to subtract 10 from both sides. That gives me, coming up here, 6x is equal to 48. Divide both sides by a 6. And you get that x is equal to 8. Couple of things to check here. We are looking for consecutive even integers. Integers tells me that I need to have some sort of whole number. I am allowed to be negative, but it's not going to be 8.3. It's not going to be any decimal or fraction. Okay. Even integers tells me that I need to end up with an even answer. If I had worked all of this and I got 9 here, I would have made a mistake because my answer is supposed to be even. Find both of them. What have I found? I found the smaller one, it's x. And the larger one would be the smaller one plus 2, which is 10. So your answer would be 8 and 10 because you're looking for two answers.